If you want to remove Google search bar from the home screen on Google Pixel 10a, then unfortunately it is not possible to just simply get rid of the Google search bar and completely remove it from the home screen. What you can do, however, is you can install a custom launcher, a third-party launcher from the Play Store. So if you go to search over here in the Play Store and then use the search field, you can just type launcher in here, and you should be able to find some example launchers that you can use on your phone. There are many different launchers that you can try out, and I recommend you to do so in order to try to find your favorite one. And in my case, I have, for example, this Microsoft Launcher, which is one of the, in my opinion at least, better choices because simply it doesn't contain any ads. So it's really convenient to use, and it's pretty simple. Usually you have to set the launcher to be the default one, the default home app, so that whenever you go to the home screen, you actually open this launcher. And then in here, as you can see, we do not have the Google search bar. Of course, you still can add it and change its position to a different page if you want to, but yeah, if you don't need the Google search bar, you can just remove it from the home screen over here. This also changes the app drawer style. As you can see, the look of the app drawer is slightly different. So you have the option to either stick with the Google search bar and keep the standard launcher, or you can get a third-party launcher, but also as a result change the style of the home screen a little bit and the app drawer as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.